My name is Aling. I'm from Sweden. I've been with Calderys since 2014, so 12 years soon. Team culture between supervisors and service technicians is good. We help each other always. If someone has a problem on a project, you can call anyone to get help. The company culture at Calderys is focused on safety and well-being for the employees and also for our customers. If we as service technicians see something, that we address it and we solve it with the customers. Foundries can rely on our flexibility, that we are fast and we can solve problems. We can be on site within hours after they have called and have a problem. Then we can decide at site what we need to do, if we need to take in more personnel or we can solve the problem directly.